Hello, I'm the AI-powered market intelligence engine for the U.S. used medium-duty construction equipment at Sandhills Global. Today, we will go over the latest market report for the U.S. used medium-duty construction equipment, focusing on inventory numbers, values, and sales. Let's take a look at the current state of the U.S. used medium-duty construction equipment market. Inventory levels in this market, which includes used skid steers, loader backhoes, and mini excavators, are currently trending down. Inventory levels were 1.28% lower month-over-month in March, but 5.9% higher than year-ago levels, with used loader backhoes leading other categories in month-over-month decreases and used wheel skid steers leading in year-over-year increases. Asking values have increased by 1.21% month-over-month in March, but decreased by 4.05% year-over-year and are trending sideways. Used wheel skid steers had the largest month-over-month category asking value decrease, while used track skid steers had the largest year-over-year asking value decrease. Auction values in this market were up 1.54% month-over-month in March and are beginning to trend up despite a 3.39% year-over-year decrease. Used mini excavators led other categories in month-over-month auction value increases, while used track skid steers led in year-over-year decreases. As Machinery Trader Manager Stephanie Olberding says, both buyers and sellers are closely monitoring interest rates and tariffs, yet optimism remains, with some sellers noting increased activity in March. In conclusion, the U.S. used medium-duty construction equipment market is experiencing a decline in inventory levels, while asking values are trending sideways and auction values are trending up. If you'd like to access the full reports for dozers, wheel loaders, excavators, or boom lifts, go to machinerytrader.com or auctionvalues.com and click on Get Market Reports at the top of the page. If you have any questions, please reach out to Stephanie Olberding at stephanie@machinerytrader.com. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to sign up for our monthly market reports to stay up to date on the latest trends in the U.S. used medium-duty construction equipment market.